Hello everyone. So today I will show you how to install any operating system on your system. So let me show you that I don't have any operating system on my machine, so there is no name for the operating system. So here what you should do is use this command. So don't worry if you do not understand the command. And then you use the powerful command echo, and the operating system is, and now use apparently empty name variable and press enter. And as you can see, this is pretty quick. So the operating system is now Arch Linux, by the way. But what if you wanted to install another operating system? Then you should simply update the name variable. So let's say I want to install a Debian system. Should write Debian. You can install any version of the Debian, even the versions that are not released. So for example, I've seen the Debian 13 isn't the Debian 14, but I will use the 13 and press enter. And as you can see, it is again pretty quick, and the operating system is now Debian 13. Okay, so I hope this was pretty clear. Another thing is you should not install the virus Windows. So any version of the Windows maybe will work, but some people have tried to install the Windows with this command, and yeah, you should not install the Windows because okay, so thank you for watching this video.